guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Alonso will be the coach of Sevilla. Babako Komasakwa talk say they need a win against Arsenal after the draw, where they don't draw for their first two games. So what's going to explain me say the way things be now, almost say they really need to step up, because when you check the table, they're there for third with just 2 points after drawing the game against PSV and the game against RC Lens. So this time around against Arsenal, the only thing they want here is just 3 points, maximum 3 points. Although Babacon they concede, say they need to work hard for 90 minutes for this match, because this match for them is like a final. Get the way the match be, and at the same time, we will play against them. This Sevilla, they have a very, very dangerous player in Yusuf Enesri. This guy, I think, is a Moroccan. The guy they play very, very well. No, they take eye, they see post. If you watch, I think it was the Super Cup when Sevilla played against Man City. Sevilla created a lot of chances. They could have buried the match, like defeat Man City, but it's just very unfortunate for them. The blessed that match, the penalty tonight they take lose, but they played fantastically well. Enesri missed many one-on-one chances Sevilla created for him. So this match now is going to be an open encounter, because when you check the PSV side, we play against Sevilla. PSV had 24 shots in the match. So for that reason, the quality talk say if PSV can have 24 shots and PSV are an attacking side, Arsenal are an attacking side. So for this match, Arsenal are supposed to enjoy a lot of shots. And when you look at it, this Sevilla, their carries and your Ramos are back. So we need to be wary of set pieces. Like so many things. So this match, Arsenal versus Sevilla, or should I say Sevilla versus Arsenal, the preview, no plenty talk. Arsenal don't really get any injury apart from Julian Timber. So now until we see the lineup, we know the contingent. We follow them travel for that place. But this match, now very, very difficult encounter, because Sevilla don't get new coach. See the way they play against Real Madrid. So they will set up either 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3. Normally they play 4-2-3-1. Against Real Madrid, they set up as 4-3-3. So against Arsenal, never know what they will set up, but expect one thing: attacking flair. Sevilla know the person will say they'll complete 10 men behind the ball. Some of you just say everything will unfold. I just pray say, but could be very, very focused, because this is going to be a rough and a tough encounter. Alright, so after that, so I think I can come back to whether they ask for the media setting ahead of the match against Sevilla about whether pressure they affect David Raya. So before they explain, say, see, you don't hear many people talk about this pressure, but one thing you can understand, they say, at Arsenal, pressure is the order of the day. Arsenal is a big club, so the pressure is always there. The pressure to perform, the pressure to win. But that don't mean say it can affect you. After all, you're a professional, so all those kind of pressure, you don't see them as a reason for anybody not to play well. And people know say somebody there for your back, when they breathe down your neck, when they want to take over your position. So you can't come outside and say you are being affected by pressure. No. Alright, they ask Ateta also about Bukayo Saka, whether they part of the leadership pack for Arsenal, because they still say for the match you play against Chelsea, after they don't come out Gabriel Jesus, so they got come out, Saka can wear the armband. So Ateta can confirm, say yes, this Saka is part of the leadership team, yes, for inside Arsenal. And say it makes sense, because Saka is a leader, whether you like it or yes, forget about in age. The guy they very, very influential in games, so that's why they add him. And Saka said appreciate the fans, appreciate Ateta and everybody for wearing the armband for the first time in his Arsenal career. So I wish him all the best of luck though. Still on that, so they ask Ateta about the mistake where David Raya make. They ask and say this mistake he never did too plenty. Yes, so I go be so Ateta they explain say mistake a part of football. Defenders they make mistake, strikers they make mistake, midfielders they make mistakes. So you know go say because of mistake, one common persons. And Mr. I don't talk this thing before say Ateta need to use mistake as a criteria to replace Aaron Ramsey. Now other things in the use. But the truth of the matter is say those other things no go really count as long as Raya keeps continuing the mistake level. They do it consistently. All those other things will be saying nice attributes when they take pass Ramsey, it no go count at the end of the day. When they do mistake, they fear they play game, because now people they give arguments say because in they play for Brentford, the pressure is not really there, pressure to perform is not really there compared to when they don't come to a big club like Arsenal where there's pressure. And now, unfortunately, sadly for Raya, a name they always do in the spotlight. Everybody they argue about that. Should you play Raya? Should you play Ramsey? Raya is a mistake. Raya is not a mistake. So many news when you watch, when you see things you know they used to. When they play for Brentford, who they mention in there for? Nobody talk about that now. Jamie, you don't ever hear me talk about that before. Now since when come as now, you can't for the limelight. People call talk about that. So all those things will affect them mentally also. So I think that they try so much to protect this Raya for the media space. Talk say mistakes is normal. So defender they make them, striker they make them. Anybody can make mistakes. So that will not be anything. At the same time, I think I want to talk about this Sevilla who won't go play. So because we are facing a team rich with European history. So as we go there, we will try our own best to make sure so we win this Sevilla team. Sevilla they very good though. We don't know their track record for Europa League, but this is the Champions League. So in as much as say PSV go there draw, RC go there draw. That don't mean say we will go there go collect draw. Anything can happen also. We must go there give a good showing. As Sevilla they look that match like a must win. We say they will look that match like a must win because we must win that match to collect maximum 3 points. That is what matters. We don't feel go there go collect draw. We don't get 3 points already. Imagine say go there go collect draw, can't get 4 points. The RC can knock PSV. I'm say RC can only 7 points, and we can't let that happen. It no go make any sense. So we must make sure say we collect the win. Then whatever happens at RC, we can see maybe PSV beating them. I don't hear me. I see that they are because PSV the 9 games they don't play for the Eredivisie this season. They knock everybody. Now we stop PSV on beating run now easy, and we see make me respect PSV. Say oh man the way they set up attacking wise. So that PSV RC match, I see PSV win. PSV win or draw for me. Yes. So we said we must make sure say this Sevilla will they go. We must show why we are champions. So, like don't say we don't win something, but that championship, that champions mentality must carry and go Sevilla. As them say won't beat us, and we say we won't beat them. So we'll just see how everything going unfold. I'm a Jamie Carragher. Said don't come as I call the talk for that match where Arsenal play against Chelsea. So Arteta actually showed versus Chelsea. Say there are different ways where person fits play. You get say Arteta use Havertz to escape the championship and the Stamford Bridge dilemma. Because when you watch Arteta try, because you get the video I watch for Sky Sports. I wish say I don't know whether I will send the link for them when I just watch Carragher, there be 3-man panel. They can analyze the tactics where Arteta use against Chelsea. So Carragher now even they analyze with the video, with visual, all those graphics, something. Because they analyze and say when you watch when they remove the Jesus because Jesus was not effective, even Odegaard was not effective. Do you know? According to the visual evidence, Chelsea used 2 people to mark Odegaard. They used 2 people to mark Martinelli and Saka. That was why they had no breathing space. Like we could not do anything in the middle of the park because Chelsea was very compact. They overload everywhere. That is why they sacrificed their own striker, Komota, to add more bodies in the midfield. But you see, Mauricio Pochettino said that one and that banner, the guy they overthink. Like as I was watching that expose by Carragher. So when you notice, Arteta can't bring in Kai Havertz, can't decide to go long. So when you watch the last 10-15 minutes of the game, Arsenal was just going long. Say, okay, now if we say we know if we pass through the midfield, then we must be very direct. And the first goal way Rice can't score, we just get lucky. See that one enter. As that one enter, getting the second goal, no can be very difficult for us because we're now going long again. So I just like the expose, how Carragher think explain everything. Later people will say, and waiting Kai Havertz they do for Arsenal, and waiting when they take an area duel do. If not for the area duel, I want them win Chelsea. That's the purpose of going long. So I wish people go watch that show, that analysis. Your eye go open. Everybody get what they contribute to Arsenal one way or the other, and people need to understand that. So that's what it is. At the end of the day, we escaped from the Stamford Bridge and we collected our much deserved points. At least from 2-0 down, coming to 2-2, at least 1 point gained. Alright, so yesterday, Tottenham Hotspur beat Fulham 2-0 to go top of the EPL after I think 9 games. They're only 2 points ahead of we and Man City. But that's not really where I'm coming from. What me at the top is say, look at the statistics of Son. Son don't play 9 games already this season, scored 7 goals. That is the whether you talk about say somebody they prolific. Now the prime example be that. Now Son will be direct center forward. Son now winging the play. Now can they play center forward? Then converter. For those who they always give excuse for the race to say now winger him be original forward. Not be mates with this. Not be mates then convert. When they there, they give a chance to go score. Do you know what it means to play 9 games and score 7 goals? When they talk of somebody is prolific, see, if you get them, you get them. If you don't get that attribute, you don't get them. That's what it just be. Wait, you can't give what you don't have. Son was converted from the wings to the center forward. He has scored 7 goals in 9 games. Yeah, playing very, very well. Linking up with Medicine. Medicine scores yesterday, Insef scores yesterday. So it is what it is. I think I just let you know how other people did. So you don't say we don't get center forward. When I converted, when I follow come, we don't get. Alright, you know, Emery don't come as I can admit almost when Arsenal can say they very, very frustrated. Like in final days for Arsenal, say the team frustrated and gone. Like that's why people give arguments. Say Arsenal don't really give the guy time to do what he wants to. Look at what he's doing for Aston Villa. They play fantastically well. They get home run record now. They play well. They score goals high, like high number of goals now. So I wish them all the best of luck. All we know say the league. They know they go for the league. Maybe Europa League qualification that they go for. You cannot even think they're going for Champions League qualification. So you can see one comment. Somebody they compare Arteta with Emery. Say look at what Emery is doing. Oga, Arsenal and Aston Villa, the pressure are different. Get at Arsenal, there's a pressure to win. There's a pressure. In short, if we draw 3 games back to back, fans go revolt. If Aston Villa draw 3 games back to back at normal level, for you to know, say the 2 teams, their aims and ambition, their aspirations. Equal. Alright, so Ben Mee will be one of the players of Brentford. Come is defend David Raya. Say you don't see many comments where people they talk about the goalkeeper. Say no, say the guy is a very, very top class keeper. Say you like Ramsdale, Ramsdale is a good keeper, but you can't say Raya is not a top class. So Raya they good. Nobody they say Raya no good. Because me I know say the early phase, as he just enter Arsenal, in Bisheshede, so that pressure, he never they used to this kind of enormous pressure to succeed. Never this. Now the same thing way Harry Kane they talk now. Say he don't go. What is they call them Bayern Munich? Say if they win 2-0, people know they're happy. Say why you go win 2-0? Suppose they win 5-0. You know understand that kind of thing. If they draw for Bayern Munich, it's a problem. But if they draw for Tottenham Hotspur, it's okay. It's normal. You get so. If they win 1-0 for Spurs, they go they happy. They win 1-0 for Bayern, they go they palace. Say we could have won 4-0, we could have won 5-0. That is the difference between the pressure to succeed in teams. So that's what it just be. Alright, so Damas Gallagher don't finally come aside, come the talk, say Arsenal should have had a penalty for that Gabriel Jesus challenge by Sanchez. So back on the explain, say if to say they give the penalty, nobody go actually argue. Say that penalty no water, but the Coco be say they no give up. So most they brace up for an apology from the PGMOL. Whether they will talk anything, or whether they will just save face, just ignore, like say they don't see what they saw. So more just the word. So me, I don't like. I'm one of the people who say I hold their opinion in high esteem. So at now, Hamza even talk against the one who did live. Hamza just put the quote, say that I don't talk. So this morning, I don't go watch the video, see everything. And from Sky Sports production, you see that they always will review questionable calls for the weekend. So it don't happen, we say it don't happen. They don't go if you give us our penalty back. So we can't cry over spilled milk. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So, signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.